My family and myself for breakfast. Usually Sunday we eat egg, pancake, toast, sauce, and cup of coffee or tea. For lunch we eat salad of vegetables, steak, rice, mashed potato, fish. For dinner, chicken, sweet potato, baked potato, spaghetti. A day uh, before I ate salad, steak, and egg with mashed potato and orange juice, and the food was really good. My family usually buy rice, meat, vegetable, fruit, chicken, fish, noodle, juice, meal. They buy more or less of food because we have a big refrigerator. Sometimes I ate a little for just like fish. I don't like some beans, but I eat a lot of meat and rice. I don't drink much milk. I don't eat many beans. I eating less meat, but more vegetable.